Meanwhile, Labour Minister Pearnel Charles Jr. is dismissing claims that he was a citizen of the United States while serving as a senator and state minister. Screenshots of documents have also surfaced on social media. The documents referenced a 2017 publication from the U.S. Federal Register. TVJ News caught up with Mr. Charles Jr.
Repeatedly and more recently, what you're seeing is an effort to mislead the public, to distract the public, to spread propaganda by any means possible. Certainly I can say to Jamaica that what has been said is completely untrue. And I know that the surrogates who are putting out that information know so too. They can read. And if you look on that document that they have posted, it says date of publication, which any lawyer with 2 cents can tell you is far in distance from the date of renunciation. So I haven't spent much time to respond to it, but I do put forward this clarity